So this is the room. We're in room 36. Here's the bathroom. Nice floor, nice vanity. A beautiful face to boot. Are you guys seeing this? There's a literal crack in the toilet. Toilets are made of porcelain, and if there's a crack in the toilet, you need to replace the toilet immediately. Actually, the view is killer. We have a kitchenette in here for all our goods. We've got a table, 2 seating areas here, good bed, fireplace, so I can romanticize my lady. I imagine tonight we'll sit here probably, we'll pull this little bench here and I'll be like, oh, do you want a vodka cran, hon? And then she'll say, no, I just want a shot. So this is the view, looking at the ocean. And you can see the sun is setting. Well, it's almost setting. There's some birds out there. There's a boat coming in. Real beautiful view. This is the bathroom. Yeah, that's a bathroom. There's that handsome man again. There's a towel warmer. Wow, very fancy. And then here's the shower. All right, we are here, Popham Beach State Park. Lighthouse way out there. I'll bring my camera tomorrow. Just got the GoPro on me today. Really beautiful view. We actually walked that way and over to where we are now. So you can actually walk out to these islands over here behind me. People are doing that. You gotta be really careful with that too, I've heard and read. All right, we are in the sand now. Got a great view of this pole right between my legs. All right, some time has passed. I've consumed this whole bottle of whatever that is. Shh. That might be illegal. So we're currently walking on this ginormous sandbar. Look at this thing. It's huge. This current from this water in between these 2 sandbars, or whatever you call them, is moving quite fast. Look at this. Crazy. It is honestly kind of crazy. Look at that water going. This current is genuinely wild. If I had a raft, man, I'd be on it all week floating down this and walking back up. It's like a lazy river. All right, I'm back on the mainland. I've changed entry points. We're gonna enter over here to go over there. It was a little too deep and fast. So we decided not to cross there. Well, I did, but we decided to choose a different place for Holly's entry so she can get across. We are on the other side of the water now, and Holly is with me. She made it out. All right, we made it to the island. Who knows where our beach side is? It's way down there. Almost to the tippy top. We've reached the top of the island. 360-degree view. Very cool. So earlier in the day, this would be water, obviously, and I guess tonight too. Very cool. We've left the beach. We've headed to Spinny's restaurant. Spinny's. Can we get the crab cakes?
Okay, so let's go.
Just kidding. I don't eat seafood. All right, you got shrimp?
Yes, fried shrimp.
Fried shrimp, some mac and cheese, pepperoni flatbread. That looks actually really good. A pretty good flatbread. I am on a trail, at the start of a trail, not a long trail. You can see my car back there. I just got on it. This isn't a big hike or anything, but it's near the place we're staying, and it's said to have a beautiful view. So I figured, why not get out here? Oh, it got me. Dude. figured it'd be nice to get out in the woods. There's a mountain across the street, Merritt Mountain. And I wanted to hike it this morning, but I woke up a little late because we're supposed to get breakfast and then go to the beach. So it's not significantly longer, but it's a little bit longer. The bugs though, so I got the spray on. The bugs are really going for my ears right now though. It's super annoying. And I don't know if I have a net on in my bag. I might. Yeah, nice woods, just pine, mostly pine. You know, it is Maine after all. The pine tree state. So not surprising, but a lot of pine. Very pretty with the sun coming through today, this morning. All right, I'm near the top now. There was a cool sign back there with some interesting history about Robinson's Rock, or the bumper, I think is what it also said. In the War of 1812, they used this to signal to people in Portland that British ships were coming by putting up some boards into a cross, and that would let them know that the British ships were coming, which is pretty interesting. Beautiful. This old fort, Fort Popham. This was built by the U.S. War Department beginning in 1862, and it was used, it looks like up until World War I. Look at these views, are really cool. Like, just very New England. All right, we have made it back to Popham Beach, and look how high the water is. It's about 11 right now. Yeah, it's cold. No, it's icy cold. That is good and cold. Holly's got a cannon for an arm. Just call her Thomas Brady. All right, let's see it. Let's see that. Open that cannon there. Whoa, Jiminy Cricket. Throw a Hail Mary. Look at that cannon. Woo! Time to once again cross the river. All right, we're at this place called the Lobster House. So the menu they bring to you, it's this big board right here. And this is the drink, the Lobster Man's Daughter. It's got, I think it's got vodka in it, limoncello, obviously raspberry.
I got the dark and stormy.
How is it?
Good.
What do we have here, Miss Holly?
Lobster stew.
Let's see those lobster bits. Wow. Here are my chicken tenders and fries with a little bit of watermelon to boot. And then Holly got the scallops and penne pasta, is that correct?
Yes.
Good chicken tenders. All right, let's just do it. Been sitting here drinking this drink. It's Coke Zero. That may or may not have included liquids of the clear varieties. Holly's alerting me to the rain clouds behind us. All we can do is hope they hold off. All right, we're back. We're back to our beach site, and everyone's gone, including the lifeguard. Lifeguard's going off there. Weather-wise, the day's going south, so I think we're probably about done here. Mr. Seagull hanging out. How's it going, buddy? Here is the pool, saltwater pool. Yeah, that's a nice view, huh? Pretty cool. The pool's warm, but the air temperature is a little chilly. I'm definitely getting the blueberry buck again. That's what I had earlier in the week. It's fantastic. This is this blueberry drink. It's stupendous. I won't drink it on camera. Holly got this Aperol spritz thing. Holly got lobster roll. Oh, it's on a gluten-free bun. It's not really a roll. Let me see it. Let me see it, lobster. It's not really a roll, but close enough. Is it good? I got the wings, buffalo. They look fantastic. So this is, I believe, a candlepin bowling alley. Oh, this is cute. Very cute.
For each frame, 3 balls are thrown. After throwing 3 balls, write your score in the top right-hand box.
The ball is the palm of your hand. A candlepin ball. How bad do I look right now? Huh?
Don't.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
So these are the actual candle pins. It's just, instead of like a traditional pin, it's like a thin pin, I guess a candle pin. Pretty cool. Never done that before. First time ever playing candlepin bowling. Look at that. All right, so that's it from us today. I'm gonna finish this Moxie off. We're gonna enjoy the view here for the rest of the night. We're headed home tomorrow, unfortunately, but great day. And enjoyed the candlepin and the Moxie. I'm not gonna show us driving home, so we'll sign off. Sad to go home, but I'm excited to see the dogs. It's been a great week here in Maine.